All right, let's go ahead and put this to the side. And then we're gonna grab a bowl and a whisk. I have here the Dolly Parton's sweet cornbread muffin mix. We're gonna use that whole box of cornbread mix. Yummy. You can use whatever cornbread you like. Now we're gonna add a cup of half and half. Beautiful. 1/3 cup of melted butter. 1 egg, right in there. Perfect. All right, we're gonna go ahead and whisk this all together till we get a nice wet consistency. We are making a super easy and delicious cornbread, but with a fun holiday twist because 'tis the season. Now, the next thing I'm gonna add is totally optional. We are gonna add some bacon bits because more is more in this house, and I love, I don't love that. But I love bacon in my cornbread. Okay, I'm gonna get a spatula to mix this one in. Okay, and just kind of fold in those bits into our cornbread.
Those bacon bits smell delicious.
Oh my gosh, yes. I love some bacon. Now, there's just one thing that this is missing, and I think you could probably guess if you follow me, you know.
It starts with C.
Yeah, we gotta add some cheese. All right, and we're just gonna go ahead and get our shredder and put our cheese right in there, just like so, and shred that cheese. We're gonna use about half of this stick of cheese, so it's gonna be about 4 ounces of cheese. Look how fresh
it looks so cool
and delicious. And it just goes right into your bowl. It's the best part. Okay, I think that's enough cheese in there, so let's go ahead and fold it in. Oh my goodness, this is gonna be the most delicious, cheesy, and bacony, and of course we have those jalapenos already set up to make this festive. Okay.
And Fresno chilies.
Yep, and the Fresno chilies, because we love the red and the green together. Beautiful. Okay, we're gonna move that to the side. Grab our cast iron. Oh my gosh, oh my God, the peppers smell so good, and we heavily greased our cast iron. So now we are gonna go ahead and scoop our cornbread mixture right on top of those jalapenos and Fresno peppers. Just like so. Oh my goodness.
The main thing is you don't want to ruin the beautiful tree.
Yes, that's what it is. Okay, that looks perfect. All right, my oven is set to 375, and this is gonna cook for just 25 to 30 minutes. Oh, okay. This looks incredible. I could have easily doubled that cornbread mixture and had a nice fluffy, bigger cornbread, but I still think this is gonna be so good. So now for the moment we've all been waiting for, we are gonna go ahead and flip our cornbread so we can see that beautiful design we made. Woo! Okay, this is gonna be heavy, so be patient with me.
You got this. Did it come out?
We'll see. Oh yeah, I think I just heard it. Ready? Woo!
Look at that. It's the wrong way though.
And there we have it. We have our beautiful Christmas tree made out of jalapenos. How fun is that?
Super fun. That looks so good.
All right. I mean, that is going to be the most festive cornbread Christmas dish you'll ever serve. Okay, let's go ahead and cut into this. I want some of the jalapenos, so I'm going to cut right here.
Oh, you can tell it's perfectly cooked. Look at that.
Okay, babe, you want to try it out?
Yeah, sure, I'm on it.
I am pretty excited, babe. Ooh. I saw that cheese, all that bacon. Oh my gosh. Blow on it. It's gonna be hot, right, babe?
Yeah. Is it good?
Oh my gosh. It's pretty good. Nice and spicy. Got that bacon in there.